Okay, so here's something I didn't think that was going to be possible for a little while, but I've got my DJI Goggles 3 plugged into the brand new RadioMaster AX12. Got the little Dark Star 22 here, and as you can see, I'm displaying the goggle output onto the screen. So we're going to see if we can fly FPV just using the screen. We can do it. Oh, my rates are a little bit twitchy on this. How cool is this? This is like the old days when we're using screens to fly analog planes before goggles were really a thing. So, well, there we go, guys. RadioMaster AX12 flying FPV via the screen. DJI Goggles 3 plugged into the port there. Oh, this is so cool. So I'm definitely going to do more videos on the AX12, but there is one more feature I do want to show you quickly here, and that's the HDMI output of the transmitter. So not only can we input the goggle feed into the transmitter, we can then push that out to an external screen, such as this TV here. So with the drone connected, droneception. But that actually opens up a whole world of opportunities for broadcast or wherever we need to get that feed out to the world. That's pretty cool.